Hi, Jenny here! Memorial Day is right around the corner, so I thought I would show you how to make a snack mix that you can take to any gatherings you might be going to, or you could just eat it at home if you'd like to. So today we're going to make some white trash. Let's get started! For this recipe you are going to need 2 bags of white chocolate chips, 3 cups each of some type of Cheerios, Rice Chex, and Corn Chex. We're going to use 2.5 cups of mixed nuts, 2 cups of pretzels, and then 1 pound of M&Ms. The red, white, and blue M&Ms weren't out yet, so I just separated some red and blue from a big bag. So about 1 pound of the M&Ms. Okay, we're going to start off with melting our chocolate chips, and you want to get one of the biggest pots that you have, because it's a lot of ingredients to go in there, but we're going to melt the chocolate chips in here, and then we're going to add the rest of our ingredients. Alright, that's pretty much melted. We're going to turn off the heat. And I'll start adding my other ingredients. I like to add in the M&Ms last, just so this has a chance to cool a little bit, and these just don't turn into a melty mess, and they kind of stay in the form that they are. Alright, once you feel that everything is coated well, you're going to then put it out onto a cookie sheet. So I have this one covered with some wax paper. You can do wax paper, parchment paper, silicone sheet probably, just to protect the cookie sheet, make it easier in the end to get it all off. We'll put this all on here, make it a nice even layer. Alright, now we're going to put it in the refrigerator to cool and harden up. You can actually put this in the freezer so it would harden a little faster. It's been in there for just over half an hour. So now you're just going to break it up and put it in a bowl or store it in an airtight container. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make this recipe. Obviously it can be made for any different holiday or any time of the year just by changing out the color of the M&Ms. So it's nice to have a versatile recipe like that. I will leave the recipe for this down in the description below. And thanks for watching. And thanks to all my new subscribers. The channel is growing slowly but surely, but I appreciate all of you. So thank you. Keep it positive. Go make it a great day. I'm gonna enjoy my snack now. Bye-bye. It's so good. Nice. Had that one perfect. And I didn't hit record. Oh my lord. That's about the 10th time I'm trying. Alright.